welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. So this is a second in series of videos, and I don't know if I'm going to post this the same day or the next day, but I'm taping this on Saturday the 6th. This is my customized Fabfitfun box. Let's get into it today. So if you haven't seen the video already, I did my uncustomized that I bought in add-on sales. This is my customized. This is the one that I get with my year-long membership. You do save some money by doing an annual membership. You also get to customize a lot more. And so this is the one that I usually pick everything that I want and then go from there. So if you haven't seen the last video on my uncustomized, I was actually really happy and I got a lot of good selection. And unfortunately, there's going to be some repeats in this box, but that's okay because I don't think it's a horrible thing. So let's just open it up. The box this season is not that exciting as I described it before. I'll put a link down below of like how you can sign up for this. I am not sponsored, so just FYI, this is purchased out of my own money. So the first thing they have is a $50 credit to Bright Sellers. They have the little handout with Gabby Douglas on here. And if you ever get a chance, they do like to go over a lot of stuff in these handouts, so they're definitely worth a chance to take a read. They talk about different things in here. Usually they'll talk about the different companies in here. They have a little thing about the frontline workers. And then of course they have about the different items in here. So I'll keep this page open and then we'll go a little bit more about each and every item in the box and the choices a little bit more depth in this video than in my previous video where I just unboxed an uncustomized one. And then finally they have a Green Chef coupon for $90. And then this one here, they have I get 25 or 20% off Our Place, which is apparently a place that has cooking stuff. So this one, and the code is RFFF, Fabfitfun. All right, so let's dive into it. I did just peek just to make sure that things were generally what they should be. And let's just go in depth on this. So your box could be valued anywhere from $225 to $477. I think my box last time was on the closer end to $400. I did not calculate it out individually. This box for me will kind of try to keep a running total in my head. But the first set of things in here are the James Draper bag, which I did show you guys previously. Awesome, cute little bag. I've been using it for the last couple of days and I really like it. So that bag was $75. There was a lot of criticism when it came out. It's not a bad box or bag at all. So hopefully everybody else who gets that bag really enjoys it. There's the Pottery Barn Mason Ceramic Diffuser in Solstice. I didn't pick it because diffusers with small children and animals is just not a good mix, so I tend to avoid things like that in my boxes. But you could get ones in bergamot, geranium, and vetiver. I'm not sure what that scent is, but that's was $59. It does say shipping restrictions may apply. I'm assuming that means for our Canadian folks that they may or may not be able to get that. Probably has to do with the chemicals in it and shipping. Okay, so then you also had, this was a throwback item if I remember correctly, the Do Not Age by Dr. Brand's Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I have so much skincare that I tend to avoid picking the skincare in my boxes now, just because I have a lot to work through. So yeah, that's that. And then we have the eyelash conditioner, which also was a throwback item for $69.95. A lot of people liked it. I have not particularly tried this type of eyelash conditioner, but one day I will get around to it. And then finally the Yumi Kim wireless charging pad for $35. I have an old phone. I just didn't really want to get a charging pad and then find out and switch phones and find out it didn't really work. So that's why I didn't get that. I do like Yumi Kim. I have their this bag here. Let me show you. This bag here that they sent in a previous box, their stuff is really good. It lasts really nicely, so I'm happy with it. So the final thing is this L-Space tie-dyed towel for $58. And I thought, hey, it's summer. What better way to make your box feel summery than a towel? And so I've had good towels from them and I've had not such good towels from them. And I was really curious about this towel and how it was. So it's 100% cotton. It says it's made in India and it is by the company L-Space, which is based out of Irvine, California. And this is 68 by 30 inches by 76. So if anyone is that correct? 76? oh no, 38 by 68 by 30 inches. Okay. All right, so let's see. Very cute. This is something I totally could see my daughter using for swim class. She's not been in swim recently just because of everything going on. We're gonna probably try to start putting her back in July, depending on if we get a second peak of really bad cases here, which I'm a little fearful of, but we're gonna put her back in July if things didn't get too crazy. So this is the towel. I am actually quite happy with the feel of it. It is very thin, but it doesn't feel cheap to me. This is the lining here. So it's got like this, it's interesting. It's got like this lining here. It's like a sewn on little thing here. Looks like mine got a little caught up when they were sewing it, which doesn't really bother me because it's the back side of the towel. I think it should be a little bit more straight like this, but anyway, from the front side, it looks really good. I am not unhappy with this towel and definitely think I will use this. We're gonna go hit up a lot of parks this week, state parks in our area. And a lot of them have like rivers and swimming holes and stuff. So I'm gonna try this out and see how it goes. And I'll let you guys know in one of my upcoming videos, like how it wore and tore. Okay. So that is selection number one. That's for everybody. So like I said, mine is just shy of $60. So everybody could also pick the next category, which is the category 2. And so let's just go over this. The first one was the Michael Kors travel passport for $78. Now, I'm not planning to do any international travel for at least the next year because really who's going to let Americans in anywhere right now with coronavirus? So that was off my list, even though it is really pretty and I do like Michael Kors stuff. There was the Isaac Mizrahi blue and white kimono. I tried to get that, but that sold out before I could get my hands on it. $59. I thought that would be great for going to the beach and the pool, but couldn't get my hands on it. I did buy the R & Company television picture perfect shampoo and conditioner as an add-on. That is $64. And then we also have the Hydropeptide Moisture Reset Face Oil that I got in my uncustomized box for $120. It smelled really nice. I haven't played with it to be able to tell you if it's good or not, but it was in a nice glass bottle. What I picked was the Business and Pleasure Company cooler bag for $59, and I'm so excited that I got this box right before next week because like I said, we're gonna go on 2 weeks of hiking and picnicking at local state parks, and having just a little mini cooler bag that I can put stuff in is going to be super nice. Now this is little, but I think for like a little drink or something like that, this is going to be fun. So it is teeny tiny. They did show in the pictures when you were picking it how big it was. So I knew this wasn't going to be gigantically large, but I thought for like little packed lunches or if we want to take a cooler with drinks, this would be perfect. It's not massive, but it is small enough to kind of take someplace and go. So that's what it looks like. Super cute, great for going down like to the pool, or if you're going to the beach and you just want to take a couple of drinks down with you. So yeah, that's nice. Not disappointed in this in the least. Very summery feeling. So I've got my towel and I've got my cooler. Definitely feels summery for me, and yeah, that's adorable. So I do like that. Seems like it'll be a good item, and I'll use it this next week and I'll let you guys know. So now my box is up to $120. So the next category was 3, which everybody could pick again. You could have the Giving Key necklace here, which I got in my uncustomized box. That is a cute little necklace. It's $45. You could get the Kula sunscreen. Now they have 2 different types, and in my last video I didn't know why, but everybody clarified for me, and thank you for that, that one of them is the US version and one of them was the Canadian version. And so the Canadian got the cucumber sunscreen, which I'm a little jealous about that. It actually sounds amazing to me. And then we were able to get the matte finish one. So that one is $36. And then there was also the sunglasses, which I did not personally pick because of the matte black finish and the width and shape of them. I just thought would look very cartoonish on me. I am curious if other people have gotten them and ended up liking them. There was the Black Mask Hydrogel Eye Mask and Hyaluronic Acid for $59. This is a throwback item. It is what it is. And then you also have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I love Kate Somerville. This is $65. It's a solid product. And then the Dry Bar Prime Prep and Detangler. This was in everybody's boxes previously. I can't remember which season, but it is a good product. I have 2 of them. So that is why I didn't choose those. So I did get the Coolest Sunscreen. Again, it screams summer to me. My box here that I picked out, I feel like is very summery. And this is what it looks like. I like Coola products, and this is a matte finish, so it's supposed to be sheer, non-greasy, fast absorbing. So I like this type of thing on my face where I don't want to look all like sweaty and greasy. And then I'm assuming this is unscented because a lot of their stuff is just unscented. So let's see. So that's what it looks like on there. Yeah, it doesn't really have a scent. And let's see how it feels. Oh yeah, this is dry. This is like, it goes in really quickly. It has that dry touch. Neutrogena makes a sunscreen very similar to this called the Dry Touch. And I really enjoy it for my face specifically because it doesn't give you that greasy feel. So anyway, I'll use this week. We're going to go through a lot of sunscreen. We're going to be hiking and everything. So I wanted to try this out and see how it went. So this is zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. So this is supposed to be a barrier sunscreen and not a chemical, so that means it is reef friendly. They're also cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, and all of that. So all right, that is that item. So let's move on to category 4. This is a category I had a hard time with. So I got the sleeve in my uncustomized. When I was picking it, this looked like it was a pillowcase, but it's actually a sleeve. So if you guys want to take a look at that, go look at that last video. I had posted it up. It's $29.50, but it's not. It's a sleeve. There was also the Terramare Tea Tree toner, and then the Zoe Ayala ice roller. I picked the ice roller for $30 just because, you know, I can always throw these into presents for Christmas and stuff, even if I didn't want to use it. I had another one of these that I gave away as a present, but I figure if I'm not going to use it on myself, then it is a nice item to give away. So this is what it looks like. I'm not going to unwrap it fully because I don't know if I'm going to give this away to a family member as a Christmas gift or some other thing. But I like to, when I'm not sure, I get things that I think I can give away as gifts to family members. So that is that item. So looking at this now, we are 120, 100 and let's say 60. Now we're up to 190, so just shy of $200 worth of items. Now we're going to get into the last category. So that category I was showing you was just select members, meaning that if you paid for a full year, you could pick that category. And then this last category you could also pick as a select member, meaning you pay for the whole year. Now in this category you could get the Isaac Mizrahi Love You Sierra XO vase. You could get the Beach Mist by Lifestyle & Company for $42. You could get the Amika Bombshell Blowout Spray for $25, or you could get the Grace & Stella Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So because I was staying away from skincare, I really wanted the vase, which if you guys saw my last video, this is a repeat item for me. So I don't know if I'm going to give this away or keep this around as a decorative item. Sometimes I like to double up vases and other things just to kind of keep things going, but this is what it looks like. Super cute, but I do have 2 of these. So I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with this, whether I'm going to give it away or if I'm going to keep it as a decorative item somewhere else in my house. All right, so now we are definitely up to $220. And then the last one here are the Fabfitfun picks. Now, these are all the picks here. You could have a roll-on oil for $50. You could have the Winky Lux Unibrow Eyebrow Pencil for $16. You could have the Cali Cosmetics Foot Cream for $24. The Makeup Drop for $20. The Myriad Essential C Cleanser for $40. The Spongelli Hand Cream for $18. And the Wonder Beauty Eye Mask for $25. I assumed that I would get something different than the uncustomized, but I literally got the same 3 items that I got in my uncustomized, which I'm not at all totally upset about. The foot cream was really, really awesome. I'm not going to open this one up because I will probably give some of these away to friends or family members in gifts. But this is the foot cream in Sicilian orange. It smells really good. It absorbs very, very quickly. So I was very happy with this. The Spongelli hand cream is also very nice. This smells really, really like coconut, summery smell to it. So this is really, really nice. And then this one I'll probably go ahead and put in a giveaway because I already have one. This is the Universal Eyebrow Pencil. I haven't tried it yet to see how it works with my eyebrows, but I already opened and played with the other one, so I'll put this one in a giveaway. So anyway, that is my customized box. I like it equally as well as my uncustomized. This is like a first. Usually I like one or the other better, and I usually like my customized better. This one is definitely useful for me because I'm definitely going to use these 3 items alone in the next week: the sunscreen, the cooler bag, and the towel. The vase, if I hadn't already gotten it, I was super excited about it from the previous one. And then obviously the foot cream and the hand cream I definitely like. The things that I was less than excited about were the eyebrow pencil, and I was unexcited about that one previously. And then the Zoe Ayala roller, I actually preferred the sleeve in the pillow sleeve in my previous box. But hey, it is what it is. So anyway, that is my box, and looking at my totals here, we're just shy of $300 for this box. So this box is probably worth, my other box was worth more than this box, but that was really because of one of the skincare products, but it's still not a bad box. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back later this week with more stuff. All right, bye.